It was such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, so I drove over to Hamilton. And today's adventure brings us to the Hamilton Ice Cream Company, and we're going to try a really delicious treat, an ice cream called Fairy Dust. Let's go take a look. We're about to sample a delicious Fairy Dust ice cream here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. Under this beautiful, beautiful wooden building, and I'm about to go take my order. Here's all the flavors. Of course, my favorite's chocolate and chocolate chip mint. So delicious.
So I called this guy back. Straight down 116. Right on Oakland. We just got it. The bar all the way around. Just gonna drive up from the back and put one behind the other. I put 2 0 turns on it, which shows more fun. This razor is 12 feet. Well, there's Tommy Hall, grandbaby's up there in there. He's up here almost every night. Then
That's a fairy dust, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a beautiful ice cream.
How are you? How are you? I'm good.
Sure is. That is awesome. I'm about to enjoy a fairy dust ice cream. If I can find a seat over here.
Yeah? I'll call you and talk to you about it.
Yeah,
call me.
And I'm probably going to take a seat over here right underneath the sign. This is an awesome, awesome ice cream. I got a chocolate fairy dust, and let's see how it tastes. That is absolutely, that's delicious. Oh my gosh, that's so good. On a warm summer day like today, that is perfect. That chocolate's just right with the whipped cream. It really works together well in that ice cream. Plus the marshmallows. That is so delicious. So delicious. Absolutely yummy. And here's a close-up of the sparkles. How they mix together well. They're really good. They're really sweet. It has a great, delicious, cool flavor. This is the best ice cream I think I've ever had. So delicious. Let me take another bite. Oh, this is so good. I love that chocolate. Absolutely delicious. Right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company here in Hamilton, Georgia. This ice cream is amazing. It is so good. They have other flavors like mint chocolate chip, vanilla, strawberry. They even have milkshakes, hand-dipped milkshakes, banana splits. And of course, my new favorite here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company, Fairy Dust. And it is so good. So good. This is so good. I absolutely love the chocolate ice cream here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. Right behind the Blimpie. They have the most delicious ice cream ever. Absolutely delicious. Okay, where are y'all located? Behind the Blimpie and Hamilton?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's awesome. Where are y'all located? Behind the Blimpie and Hamilton?
Behind the Blimpie, yes ma'am.
Okay, and what are y'all's hours of operation?
So we're 12 to 8 during the week. And
During the week?
2 to 8 on the weekend.
And 2 to 8 on the weekend.
2 to 8 on the week and during the week, and 12 to 8 on the weekend.
And 12 to 8 on the weekend. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, that's awesome. I love y'all's ice cream. This is delicious.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Well, we really appreciate that. You're too kind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Y'all too. If y'all are ever up here, take a look at these beautiful metal signs here.
You take care, Peter.
They're posted on the side of the wood here. Awesome. Let's go take a look at the sign from the other side down here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. Now that's an awesome sign. I was here on opening day last year, and I will link the opening day video in the description right below. The ice cream here is absolutely amazing. Those are so cute.
iHeartRadio honoring the class of 2020 with an all-star commencement speaker lineup, including Bill and Melinda Gates.
Maybe we can come out of this stronger, wiser, more compassionate, more appreciative. Our North Stars shining brighter than ever.
Hear more on this week's Sunday Night.
iHeartRadio and Doritos bring you Commencement, the podcast, featuring speakers from music, sports, and business icons, handing over 50,000.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's pretty. Thank y'all so much for watching.